In this video, we're going to talk about on how to solve a problem or a perceived problem when you're trying to connect a device, headphone, to the device, to Windows 10, and it doesn't work. You're trying to connect it, and it says connected, disconnected, and paired, and nothing works. That could happen when you have another device in the house that is already connected to the headphones. It might be just because the other device already has the Bluetooth turned on and automatically paired. That means when you try to connect it using your Windows 10, it will give you this connecting, disconnected, and starting again. First, I'm going to turn off the smartphone now that I have connected to the headphones. And the second I disconnected the other device, now pairing would work. So this specific problem is caused by another device pairing automatically with your headphones when you're trying to connect it from here. It is already paired up with another device. Doesn't give you any error, but that's what happens. If the video helped you, subscribe, like, comment. That's the best. Thanks. Other than that, have a great day.